హాయ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ లెర్న్ టు ప్రో ఛానల్ అగైన్. సో ఎస్టర్డే మనం పైథాన్ లో ఇన్పుట్ అవుట్పుట్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి, వేరియబుల్స్ ఎలా డిక్లేర్ చేయాలి, యూజర్ దగ్గర నుంచి ఇన్పుట్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి, అవుట్పుట్ లో ఎలా ప్రింట్ చేయాలి, సో ఇవి చూసాం. ఈ రోజు మనం ఆపరేటర్స్ టాపిక్ చూద్దాం. ఏ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ ఆపరేటర్స్ ఉంటాయి, వాటిని లాజిక్ బిల్డింగ్ లో ఎలా యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి, వాటిని యూజ్ చేసి ఒక పైథాన్ కోడ్ ఎలా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలి, ఏ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కి మనం ఆపరేటర్స్ యూజ్ చేసి సాల్వ్ చేయగలం అనే టాపిక్ చూద్దాం. Yesterday we have discussed input and output commands in Python. So today we will discuss the operators topic. Okay, what is nothing but operator? Why we need to use any operator in Python or any other languages? If you want to add two numbers, how you can add? You are humans, right? We are humans. So we can easily count, okay, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 minus 6, again 5. So 2 into 3, 6. We will do all the operations manually. Why? Because we are humans, right? But how the machine will do all the operations like that? Using one sign. Okay. What is the sign you are using for respective operation? That sign will have some name, specific name. So that's why we have different types of operators. So here I have done one thing, nothing but addition I have done, right? So the symbol you are using for that addition is nothing but plus. Yes. So that is nothing but operator here. And the inputs I have taken A and B. So those are called operands. And the entire thing call it as one operation. Okay. So this is basically about the operators, operands and operation, entire operation. So in Python we have different types of operators. What are they? Let's see. Okay. So in Python we have different types of operators. For time's sake, I have already written all the operators. Okay. So arithmetic, assignment, relational, logical, bitwise, membership, and identity operators we have in Python. So what is arithmetical operation? As I already told, to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In division, we have different types of outputs we will get using that one. Okay. If we use normal division, you will get the quotient in decimal format. That means if you perform 10 normal division 3, you will get 3.33 like that. If you use this remainder one, you will get 1. Okay. How many times the 3 will be divided? 10 will be divided by 3. Only 3 times, and 1 is remainder. That will gives you using that remainder operator. Okay. And this floor division will gives you the quotient one. Okay. 3 is the output you will get. That means integer format of that division you will get. Okay. Assignment is nothing but C, or we can written Python code itself. Okay. So I run this code, it will give you the exact 5. Nothing but arithmetical operator. Same for multiplication, division and all. You can do that one. So again, I am taking one variable called x. For that, I have given the value 2. So for that, again I am using the assignment operation. Okay. This is nothing but x equals to x plus that number 4. What I have you already given to that assignment operation. Okay. Then what is the x value already you have given 2. So it will give you 2 plus 4, 6 it will return. Nothing but assignment operation. Same for other operations also. Nothing but subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, same for division and all. Okay. If you want to see, is that command print x. So it will give you the updated value of that 6. So it will give you 2 plus 4, 6 now. Okay. It will give you 6 as output. Okay. Then relational operator. How you can tell whether 5 is greater or 10 is greater? If I give two numbers for you, 5 and 10, how you can tell whether 5 is greater or 10? Absolutely 10 is greater, right? So how the machine will do that operation using relational operations. Okay, so print 5 greater than 10. So I write like this, so it will give you false. Why? Because that is not correct. So it will give you false. Okay. So same. If you use less than, yes, it is correct. So it will give you the true. Okay. Same for other. Equal, equal, not equal, greater than or equal, less than or equal. Same. And logical and or not. Okay. So comparing two numbers, you can use relational operator. That means for checking on condition. So I have checking on condition here. So I am using relational operator. But if I want to check different conditions, so 5 less than 10 and 6 less than 10. So this is nothing but one condition and this is also another condition. Two conditions I am checking. So then you have to use the logical AND operator. Okay. If you want to check if the whether two conditions are true, then you have to use the AND operation. So it will give you true only. Why? Because 5 less than 10 true and 6 less than 10 also true. So it will give you the true operation. True as output. Okay. The AND operation will give you the output as true when both conditions are true only. Either of the condition is false, then it will give you false. Okay. The AND operation will give you true when both conditions are true. Okay. Coming to OR operator, see carefully. This this first condition is false and second condition is true, but OR operation will give you true. Why? Because the OR operation will give you the output as true. Either of the condition is true. Okay. If one of the condition is true, then it will give you the true as output. So you will get OR. Okay. Don't confuse between and operation. Okay. And OR. Okay. So same or not. So what is not? I am performing not here. Okay. Is 5 less than 10 correct? Yes, it is correct. But you are performing not. That means it reverse, it opposite the answer, output. So it will give you false as output. Understood? So in this way, logical operations will be useful. So bitwise, where we can use bitwise operations. So in many interviews, so many interviews will ask you the AND or XOR operation. They will check you. They might be checked for some time. Okay. What is the AND operation of 5 and 10 or operation of 9 and 6. So likewise they will ask you. So for that you have to understand what are the bits for respective number. You have to remember all the respective binary bits for given number. See. Okay, if I take 3 and 5, if I want to perform both AND and OR operations, how it will be done? See. So, as like we already discussed, how the logical AND operation will be done. If both conditions are true, then it will give you true. Otherwise, it will give you false. Same. If both bits are 1, it will give you the output 1. Otherwise, it will give you 0. Same for R. If both conditions are or if either of the condition is true, then OR operation will give you the true. So same. If either of the bit is 1, it will give you the 1 as output. Okay. See. For AND operation, yes, 1 and 1. Then it will give you 1. But for remaining 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So what is the equivalent value number for that one? So same OR operation. When how the OR operation will be done? If either of the bit is 1, it will give you 1. Here 1, yes, it is there. So 1 will be written. 1 and 0, yes, 1 will be written. 0 and 1, yes, 1 is there. So it will return 1. So it will give you triple 1. Triple 1 is nothing but equivalent value of 7. Okay. If you want to try that, print 3 and operation and 5. So it will gives you 1. Got it? So same, print 3 or 5. So it will gives you what? 7, right? Yes, 7. So in this way, it will gives all the respective values. Yes, bitwise done. What is this one? Same. How the not is there. So here also you will get negative numbers using bitwise negative. This one. Okay. Same. This is bitwise XOR. How the XOR operation will be done? If both bits are different, okay, then it will give you the 1 as output. If both bits are same, it will give you the 0. Okay. So here you will get 0, 1, 1. So you will get 1, 1, 0. What is the 1, 1, 0 value? 6. Let's check. Okay. XOR operation and performance. It will give you the 6. Okay. So in this way, bitwise operations will be done. So same membership operator is nothing but if you want to check from print, if I want to check whether the character A is not or in apple. Okay. So I want to check whether that character A is present in that word apple or not. Then you can use that membership operator in. Is it present or not? Yes, it is present. So it gives you the true. If I give another character Z, is that Z in the apple? No. So it will give you the false. If I run this, it will give you the false. Okay. So same, not in operation will give you the exact reverse one. So coming to the identity operators is not. Okay. See here again I'm taking another variable called y3 and I'm taking another variable 3 z as 3. If I want to check whether print is that y is z. Is that both are same? Yes. So you will get true. Okay. Same. Uh, other one is not will give you the reverse one. So these are the different types of operators we have in Python.